Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Happy Mask Monday. It's early in the morning. I'm still in my PJs. I got my coffee. I haven't even put my contacts in. I don't have any lights on. I've got the windows open and the sun is shining in from off of the snow. And today I'm going to be trying this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleanser Pore Purifying Mask. That sure is a long name. I don't remember where I got this from, but I have not used it. I haven't even opened it, so I was going through my Mask Monday drawer and thought I would try something that I had not used and see if it does anything for these pores. I have a lot of pores here in this area that need some help. And I was looking at this on the Sephora website. It's $42, which is kind of pricey, and the reviews are not very good. It has like a 3.8 review or something like that. Most of them say that it has a very bad smell to it, so we're going to try it out and see. And then, while this is cooking, that's what it looks like. I thought I would put it on with a little spatula. It says to put it on the areas of concern and not to put it around your eyes. Okay. Those little blue beads are interesting. While this is cooking, I'm going to show you what my studio looks like. Casey from Casey Has Opinions and Terrible Video Skills, which she does not, but she challenged everybody to show what their studio recording area looks like. This does not really smell bad. Maybe it's after it's been on there for a little while. It also said to put a thin layer. I think I'm probably putting it on a little bit too heavy. Maybe I should use my fingers. Anyway, oh, it feels a little gritty. She said, she challenged everybody to show their studio filming area because she said hers was a mess. So, while this is doing its thing, oh, it's burning my eyes, y'all. Oh, that's not cool. I mean, I don't have it in my eyes, but the fumes. Yeah, it's starting to smell bad. I'm going to show you a video of my studio. This is supposed to stay on 10 to 15 minutes, it said, until it's dry. And to use it 2 or 3 times a week. So there we go. We'll see what happens, and I'm going to insert the video of my studio tour. I hope y'all enjoy it. This is my studio. This is where I do all of my videos and also where I do all of my art. And I, not too long ago, came through here and decluttered. But I do have a secret. So, but this is what it looks like. So this is the back wall that y'all see. I have my art on it, and then I just took this old shelf that somebody had given me and decorated it as a backdrop. And there's my dragonfly from Kimmy and my sign from Andy and my other dragonfly from Stephanie, the opinionated horsewoman. And that's a sewing machine that my aunt brought me in June from Virginia. And that's my picture that I got from Christmas, if y'all remember that. And that is a wall decoration that I made. It's like steampunk junk art type of thing. And these are all of my palettes that Thorn is guarding. And then I have lipsticks and mascaras and a lot of my crystals because I love my crystals. And a book. My nickname is Lulu, so Caitlin bought me a book. And my but first makeup sign that was given to me as a gift, and dragonfly. I have dragonflies everywhere. More makeup, more crystals, and then more makeup. Makeup that I need to go through and put away. Those drawers down there have bronzer, highlighters, blushes in them. Those blue boxes have items in it for giveaways. And that blue basket has palettes in it that I'm going to do a video on. And then I have the same palette that I will be doing a giveaway. And then trash can, obviously. And then I have this drawer organizer that has Mask Monday stuff in it. All of my stickers that people have given me. Birthday cards. And then of course the window, and if you're wondering why the curtain is in the middle of the window, it's because the cats like to go around the curtain or go around the shade, the mini blinds, and they'll break them, so I put up a half curtain so that they can easily get to the window. They like to look out the window. I don't get the curtains opened up fast enough. And this little shelf I put over here to put stuff on, and as you can see, the top of it is a cat bed, and then that nice basket that I bought has turned into a cat bed as well. And then that's just printing paper and different things. And then under my desk I have my computer. That little ottoman has camera gear in it, lenses, a little ring light that I can use with my phone, that type of thing. And then my desk, I have 2 monitors. That monitor is actually just a TV. I have it all hooked up to my computer. And then my ring light, of course. And then these 2 just desk lamps that I put a daylight bulb in and covered it with fabric made for that purpose to kind of soften it a little bit. And if y'all ever wondered what I do with the dragonflies that y'all send me, if I can get them off of the envelope, that's where they end up. And I have a few crystals there and a journal, my planner, pens. Y'all see this all the time. And then I have these organizers down here. I have more journals right there. And then this just has different things in it. You know, office supply type stuff, that kind of thing. These are empty boxes for friend mail that I need to put away. This is my essential oils and nail polish. And then just some more art that I've done. That is a shirt that I recently purchased. I will buy a shirt a size smaller and hang it up. That's my inspiration. I'm working on getting in that shirt. More art supplies. Neglected art supplies. Here's a chair, and as you can see, it's got a dirty cushion in it because that's another cat bed. And then I have some friend mail stuff up there, some empty baskets. This is grapevine that my cousin Mary gave to me that I am going to one day create a piece of art with. And then the jar of buttons is simply there for nostalgia because What are you doing? What is she doing? What are you doing? Don't chew on the light. Sneaks. Damn it. Crazy cat. My grandmother kept a big jar of buttons in her sewing room, and for years and years and years I woke up every morning to the sound of her in there sewing, to the hum of that sewing machine, and I love to go in her sewing room and play with her buttons, so that's the only reason I have that big jar of buttons. And those drawers have drawing pencils and colored pencils and stuff that I do art with, and my toaster oven that I bake my clay jewelry in, and that is a picture I painted of my very, very favorite cat that is no longer with me, and another pencil drawing that I did. And now Dexter's come to get into things. I have an empty basket that apparently they all want to sleep in. Oh, yes, nice. There we go. And these are videos that I need to do, some unboxings and hauls, and I have some PR over there. And then on the bottom is a trash can that I intend to use for my empties, bubble wrap, and paper for friend mail. That 3-drawer organizer has art supplies in it, and the top of it is another cat bed. And as you can see, the window again, so that they can get around it. And then this shelf over here has boxes on it that I use for friend mail. And I have more bubble wrap, the larger pieces of bubble wrap, and some foam and stuff. And there's my empties up there, and more art that I have created. More art. And there's a picture. Oh, you can't see it. There's a picture of baby Leanna. And a cat picture that I painted that didn't turn out so well. So, my camera, I have all of that stuff on a tripod that's attached to my desk to give me more desk space. And then here's a little tip for you for all of these cords and stuff. You see these clips? You get those at the Dollar Tree. They're great for, I don't know if you can see, for clipping around your cords to keep them out of the way. So yes, this is my studio, and yes, it's nice and neat because several weeks ago I did some decluttering and some cleanup, but here's my dirty little secret. Are y'all ready for this? Here's the closet. I'm gonna turn the overhead light on. See if that helps any. This is the closet that is full from floor to ceiling with art supplies. And it's a double door closet. I only opened one side. The entire closet is packed full of art supplies that I have been neglecting, and I need to pull all of this stuff out and go through it and organize it and get it in the closet in a way that is easier for me to get in there and get to it and actually use it, because I do like to create while I'm watching other channels' YouTube videos. So that's my dirty little secret and my project. One of the projects that I will be working on in the next coming week. So this is my studio. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed. This is what it looks like when it's dry. My skin is very tight, but this is not flaky like a clay mask, and it does not smell well at all. So I'm going to go wash it off. I'll be right back. Okay, so I washed all of that off my face and I could still smell it. So I jumped in the shower really quick to make sure that I had all of the product off. I needed to take a shower anyway, and it did well, I believe. My pores definitely look like they tightened up just a little bit. My face feels nice and smooth and soft, so I like the product. I mean, it has a little bit of a smell to it. It's not unbearable. Well, it's not unbearable for me. Maybe for some people who are sensitive to smells, they would not like that, but it was not so terribly bad that I couldn't stand it. So I'm going to try that a couple of more times a week and see what that does. If it works really, really well, I don't know that I want to spend $42 on that little tube, but we'll see. You never know. We'll see what happens. I hope that you enjoyed the studio tour. I just posted a reminder video from the 12 Days of Christmas to remind everybody to cleanse and purify their spaces and life. So like I said, I had just went through a couple of weeks ago and cleaned up, and of course everything got thrown over in that closet. I will be cleaning that closet out. I'm thinking that I probably will just take everything out of it, put it all in the living room, and then just put it back in there and go through and declutter as I'm doing it. If you have not seen that reminder video, I will link it up here in the iCard. You can go watch that. And if you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel, and it sure would make my day. Don't forget, makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all again soon. Bye-bye. Christopher, do you need to shrink your pores? I wouldn't know because I haven't seen you. You need to do a Mask Monday video with your mama. Y'all tell him to come do a Mask Monday video with his mama, instead of messaging me on Facebook in the middle of the night and making me go on Amazon and spend my money buying music. Anyway, work on your face, boo-boo. Get your pores in shape. Fishing time is coming. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.